Lights. Camera. Action! Alright. Here is that thing that she made. I don't know what it is. The pickle with the, what's those square things called again?
Russell, it's the pickle with the sour melted goo we have of the sour candy wrapped up with a fruit roll-up that's been frozen.
Okay, and I gotta put this stuff on it.
Sriracha.
Sriracha. How much do you pour on this?
It's totally up to you, but you have to bite it in the middle.
In the middle?
Yep, so that way you can get the full taste of the goo.
Oh, great. It tasted like a caveman.
So you have to be able to bite into the middle.
That sauce. Whew. And I gotta eat that. This is, I don't see an emergency room. It's hot and sour and pickling. Oh. I give it a no.